Hello students, today we will explain about compound inequalities in lesson 7 in chapter 1. There we have compound inequality when we have two simple inequalities are combined into one statement by the words and or. That means we have greater than and then lesser than. In one statement we have two signs of inequality, their students. For example, we have x greater than 2 and x lesser than 6. By the graphs, greater than 2 in right side and then lesser than 6 is left side, so that one is called and. We have and here there. And for greater than or equal to, also when you have x greater than or equal to 2 and then x lesser than or equal to 6, there's also we can say greater than or equal to 2 in right side and lesser than or equal to is in left side for 6 student. In or we have operation less than x less than 2. It means you have less than in left side for 2 and then we have an equal sign because so the circle is empty, and then x greater than 6 also the circle is empty and greater than in right side. For that one also we have x lesser than or equal to 2 or x greater than or equal to 6. For that one is also lesser than or equal to 2 in right side and then 2 also included because we have equal sign, and then greater than or equal to 6. That one's also because we have equal sign, the circle is full, and then we are going to right side or greater than 6 in right side, students. Now we will start with the examples. In example 1, in example 1, a water analyzer recommends that the pH level of swimming pool water be between which we have what number is 7.2. Yeah, it's 7.2 and 7.6. Inclusive, write the compound inequality. We must write a compound inequality for the pH is between 7.2 and 7.6 inclusive. So for that inequality you can use a number line and then between write the compound inequality to show pH the level are within the recommended range. Graph the solution. When you have 7.2 and look at that one, students, because you have and, so we have 7.2 and 6, and because we have and then the numbers also included, so we can make a graph by this way, students. The most important example in this lesson, example 2, and then the 2 and 3 also. In example 2, we have a compound inequality for x plus 2 lesser than or equal to 4 and then lesser than or equal to 8, greater than or equal to 4 and then lesser than or equal to 8. Because we have addition, we must do minus both sides, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. That one just remain x, and then 8 minus 2 is 6. We write the sign of inequality, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So the interval is between, because we have greater than 2, we are going to right side, and lesser than 6, we are going to left side. So that one make a graph with and, students. In example B, we have 2x plus 3 less than or equal to 9 and then greater than or equal to negative 5. Because we have two operations, students, we have addition and multiplication. First, we must clear addition. We minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So we have 2x less than 9 minus 3, 6. And then 5 minus 3, negative 5 minus 3 is equal to negative 8. So because you have times with the variable, 2 times x, we divide by 2. After we divide by 2, 6 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 equal to 3 and negative 4. So the interval we have and then negative 4 and 3. That one is also and for the graph, and because we have equal sign, the circles are full. In example 3, we have or. We have solved each compound inequality and graph the solutions. We have negative 4 plus a greater than 1 or negative 4 plus a lesser than negative 3. There's to find value of a, we move for the other side, we change to plus, so 1 plus 5 is 5, and then we have or, And there's also, we must do 4, move from 4 to other side, it change to a less than negative 3 plus 4, because we have different sign. We do minus 4 minus 3 equal to 1, because greatest number is positive, so we have positive 1. So the interval lesser than 1 and greater than 5, that one's make or, because when we graph it for 1 and 5, yeah, both of them positive, 1, sorry, and then a lesser than 5, a lesser than 1 in this side and greater than 5 is on this side, so we can make a graph by this way. And in example B also, we have 2x less than 6 and 3 or 3x greater than 2. We do divide by 3 and then divide by 2. So for that one is 3 divided by 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. So x lesser than 3 or x greater than 4, because 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. And then we make a graph for this, because that one we have equal sign, we have 3 and the circle is full, less than in left side. X for 4, when you have 4, the circle is empty because we have an equal sign, and then greater than for right side. I think it's enough, because that lesson is so easy.